this day.
You'll hear it spark burn. Very bulletproof. Welding and gas. Call that fabrication. Welcome to Sparkburn Hot Rod's YouTube channel.
Wear 'em. Jeff doesn't wear them. He should wear them. I have earbuds for music, but I don't know if they're sound canceling. You know what I mean? I don't know. That's them. No, I wear earplugs. Beautiful. Blown right there, so I can't get that out of it. My golly. That wears that sandpaper out quick.
Oh, give me.
Oh, you're good. Calm down, Jack. Calm down. You're good. I'm not rushing you. Take your time. Razor blade right there. Hopefully it's sharp. We'll see. You can take that piece of tape all the way up against it if you want to, just like this. Just, yep, nope, just like this. It won't hurt anything on this go around. Just keep it tight in there like that. Just like that, it won't matter. Because we're just kind of basically, you know. I hear an airplane out there farting around. You hear an airplane? Area 51. You know what's good about plastic on days like this? Static electricity. You ever got shocked when you're doing this?
Oh, yeah.
It's like, oh, it feels so great. Been shocked again.
Today on the Camaro, we're going to be doing body work. Going to get all the tops of the quarters re-welded on new quarters body worked, fenders body worked. We'll get the door to the fender gaps body worked and door to the quarter gaps body worked. And then, yeah, going to be a lot of body work for the next couple of days. And that's about it.
The whole side of it.
So it'll be level all the way across.
refuse.
I haven't even been on the ground yet.
You haven't? Your shoulder begs to differ.
I haven't been on the ground at all today.
Really? Actually, you know what? While I'm waiting for my body filler, I'm gonna
Just body work this once it's off.
We can. I mean, yeah, that's fine. No, we can. I don't care. Yeah, I mean, yeah, no, we're gonna edge it and put it on anyway, so it'll be fine. Mother. So once again, today is Wednesday the 20th. Wednesday the 20th of March. And once again, it's getting cold. Again. And then this weekend's gonna be cold. I think Monday's gonna be cold again, I think. Not cold like in the sense of like cold, but like not 70s. So Jack and I are doing the body work on this. We should have it all body work today. Ready for the epoxy, the first round of epoxy primer. That's the goal for today. Ready?
Good?
This should be good. Ow, that hurts my old crap finger. Should be good. I think.
Yeah.
Not to block. So he's going to be back masking. And he's going to put the first round of epoxy on for long blocking assembled. Then after we get it long blocked and fine tuned, we're going to blow it apart. And then we'll put urethane primer on the inside, everywhere, you know, so it'll be primed throughout the whole thing. And then we'll edge it, and we're doing this one a little different. We're gonna bolt it together first, which we normally don't do that, but we gotta put a wicked stripe down the side of it, so we're just gonna do it that way to ease the burden. So that's how we're doing that one. And it should work out good. I mean, it'll be just fine. You just got to talk dirty to it. Just got to talk dirty to it once in a while.
Give you plenty of wire. Holy shit. So you can get their iPhone.
I thought it was going to be higher than that in my mind. In my mind, same as it ever was.
Well, the only reason I don't like it is because it's pointing towards this, and I'm not going to have a lot of room on this side.
Okay. Fine. Fine.
I should have known because I did that same thing with the other one.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
I'm just going to hang this one straight unless you want it to.
I can be easier to do it.
Vertically? Oh, I got it backwards then.
That's fine. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, we're just doing a quick little tape. I'm not going to get these right here. They've been edged, so I don't want to put any more material down on them. We had the glass fit,
I'm just gonna keep the edge back like this, Jack. I'm not gonna back tape it on these edges, so. Unless you want to back tape it. You want to back tape it?
I mean, we don't need to.
You're probably wondering why we're not priming this whole thing, because as you can see, they edged it before. So I don't want to go through and prime all this. We're gonna re-edge it, but now we at least have the same color what the car's gonna be. It's got plenty of primer on the rockers and everything. There's no sense in reinventing the wheel on this car. It's the bottom of the car is really straight. It's rockers.